building to a crescendo all week, and very shortly it will be for real. We have all the action for you live. And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. My name is Derek Ray, and joining me for commentary is Stuart Robson. And we've got Champions League group stage action to look forward to. It's Dinamo Kiev facing Real Madrid.
Well, Real Madrid have got off to a very good start, haven't they? Their performance in that opening match was excellent. They look a really well-organised team to me.
Can he convert? He'll be delighted to have won the ball, having made that difficult challenge. And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays with Ferland Mendy in the fullback positions. Toni Kroos plays with Casemiro in the centre of the pitch. And the starting role in attack.
Oh, he's through on goal here, Derek.
Toni Kroos. Gives it a go. Terrific block. Oh, he's lost possession. He's in control of the situation. And will it be Alexander-Arnold? Really sound goalkeeping.
Well, that had to be a goal, didn't it? What a stop that is.
Kroos with the corner. Not the best clearance. Can he finish? They could nudge in front. Oh, that's a fine save. And cleared away. Well, you can probably see why we're focusing on this fellow as one to watch. Stuart, in particular, what do you expect to see from him?
Well, in many ways, he's a throwback to the 80s in the way he plays. He's so strong when holding up the play. He can outmuscle opponents. Today, the defenders will certainly know they've been in a battle.
Intercepting it intelligently. Abdullah. And Real's creative tendencies coming to the fore. Cross fired over. The cross played over. And work to do defensively. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. That's a routine take. Delightful pass. Well, it didn't happen for them in attack. Must be! Rifled against the post, but back in play. Well, no damage done.
Well, you sense the goals coming. They're getting so close now. They just need to take one of these chances.
Well, having been denied by the woodwork, now the focus is on keeping the opposition at bay. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Rudiger. This is Kroos. And room now out on the flank. Well, following the clearance, it will be a corner. And fired over by Kroos. Well, the attack carried promise, but petered out. Great pressure to win the ball back. Well, he did his best to place that one, but a disappointing end result. Serhii Sidorchuk. Well, is it going to end up being productive for them? A fine reading of the situation. Cristiano Ronaldo. Alexander-Arnold. Now with Ronaldo. Able to get a body in the way. Serhii Sidorchuk. Very quick thinking there. Abdullah. Well, a foul, but the advantage with Real Madrid. Mendy. Now Casemiro. Determined defending. Well, that's one for them to pursue. Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Oh, terrific pass. To jump in front. And the challenge, crisp and clean. Chance to cross. And with that, the first half draws to a close. Underway then in the second half of this Champions League group stage confrontation. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Toni Kroos. The ball with Luka Modric. Mikola Shaparenko. The ball with Sidorchuk. Karavayev. Promising sequence, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. And another treat from La Liga coming up for you live here on EA TV. It's Real Madrid facing Getafe. Mendy. Will he play it in? Casemiro. Real chance. Was an important piece of defending. Serhii Sidorchuk. Well, a textbook interception. Can they take the lead here? Foiling his opponent completely. Modric. Toni Kroos. The ball with Luka Modric. Opportunity it is. Well, ruled to have taken up an illegal position, only just. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. Serhii Sidorchuk. An unforced error, you've got to say. Casemiro. Volodymyr Kostovic. Well, attacking possibilities. Oh, that's an interesting pass. Brilliantly blocked. Well, thumped clear. Toni Kroos. Mendy. This is Kroos. This might be ideal for the counter. And Ronaldo prepared to fire. Not really the ideal clearance. Alexander-Arnold. That was perfectly timed, and it is going to be a corner. And fired over by Kroos. Not the best clearance. Well, threat averted. Volodymyr Shepelev. Cristiano Ronaldo. Abdullah. Mendy has it. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. And into the last 15 minutes of action. A chance to whip it in. Attending to his defensive chores. Well, no stopping him. Takes the shot. And calling upon the goalkeeper to keep things even.
Well, he's got to be pleased with that. He might just have got his team a draw here. Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
Hello and a warm welcome on what is a glorious night for football. Perfect playing conditions. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting alongside me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and West Ham midfield player Stuart Robson. And we're certainly in the mood for Champions League group stage action. It is Olympique Lyonnais taking on Real Madrid.
Well, thanks, Derek. The scene is set for a really good game tonight. We've got a great atmosphere inside this stadium. Let's hope the players perform.
The Olympique Lyonnais starting lineup. Anthony Lopez begins in goal. Davy Klaassen starts alongside Corentin Tolisso in central midfield. And leading the line today, Alexandre Lacazette. And here's the starting 11 for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois is the keeper of choice. David Alaba plays with Antonio Rudiger in central defence. Toni Kroos.
Oh, look out, Derek, chance here.
In it goes! An early opening statement in this match. And look at the celebrations. Well, the action underway. Can Real find a response now? David Alaba. Now Casemiro. Moving the ball effectively. And he's through here. On his own with only the keeper to beat. But he's missed it, Stuart.
Well, he went for power, but he didn't make the perfect connection. That's why he's missed the target there.
Well, having a look at the table, and this is what we enjoy about the Champions League group stage. It can be so very tight, Stuart.
Yeah, it's been so competitive, hasn't it? Today should give us a good indication who will be going through, though. But it's going to be close, you have to say that.
And threading it forward. Lacazette. And a throw in here for Lyon. Klaassen. On to Tolisso. And just narrowly wide in the end. Abdullah. Lyon doing well to regain possession. Klaassen. Now Lacazette. Kakere. Tolisso. Kakere. On to Lacazette. And a fine tackle. Tolisso. Lacazette. And here's Toko Ekambi. Really high-class goalkeeping from Courtois. Abdullah. Valverde. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Lacazette. Lacazette! And they couldn't add to their advantage.
Well, that would have put them in complete control. He should have scored there. Well, it's been complete domination for Lyon in the last 15 minutes and look like scoring every time they go forward. They do need to extend their lead, though, while they're playing so well.
Oh, it's developing nicely for them here. And it's in! Beyond the goalkeeper, Real Madrid are level.
Well, here's the replay, and just look how quickly they break forward once they win the ball back. And there's certainly no doubt about the finish. He really hits it with power and accuracy. Nothing the keeper can do about that.
So underway again, following the goal that made things level. Sinali Diamonde. Kadewere. Very quick thinking there. This is looking threatening. Kakere. Klaassen. Able to get a body in the way. Now what can they do from here? No-nonsense clearance. Kakere. Abdullah. Possession ceded by the Merengues. Robert Rojas. Out of play, Real Madrid throw here. Alphonso Davies. Abdullah. Here's Ronaldo. Alexander-Arnold. Now will the cross work out for them? A really intense pressure applied. And you need your defender to take charge.
The fourth official has indicated there will be a minimum of 1
Alexander-Arnold.
time.
That is that for the first half here. And the second half of this Champions League group stage meeting is underway. Deserves credit for winning the ball back. Alphonso Davies. Klaassen. Carl Toko Ekambi with it. We're getting the ball forward. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Lacazette here. Can they forge ahead? And up for grabs off the keeper. A chance now with the corner.
Well, this is a big moment, and don't these fans know it?
Delivering it. And the danger's still on. Toko Ekambi. Crossing possibilities. He's got the right idea with that pass. Well, the keeper wasn't worried in the slightest. Well, they've won possession back. What can they do from here? Lacazette. Superb block. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. All hands on deck. Could take the lead. My goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. Can he deliver it with accuracy? So, a Real Madrid corner. It might still be problematic. Giving it a try. Nicely saved. Who's going to get on the end of it? Last man back and job done. Can he find the net? Superb block. Sinali Diamonde. A lot to look forward to on the Champions League group stage front here on EA TV Live. It's Olympique Lyonnais against Real Madrid.
Well, that should be a really good game between two entertaining teams in a great stadium.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Alexander-Arnold. Is it going to be? And that goes down as a very disappointing attempt.
Well, the keeper can't believe his luck. That's a really poor effort.
20 minutes remaining. Not what he was intending. Bad pass. And the flag has gone up here. Offside the decision. And time for the change now. Tagliafico.
Just to let you know, the club shop is open after today's game. If you'd like to get your tickets for the next
Klassen has
game
it.
or club merchandise.
Chəkۆy. Terrific block. Perfectly positioned to take it away. Tagliafico. Chəkۆy. Klassen has it. Gällrä. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. Real chance. And he's outdone himself. Wonderful save there. It's gone out for a Lyon throw. Gällrä. And a very good challenge. Can they do something positive on the counter-attack? 5 minutes of the 90 still to go, and the teams cannot be separated. Olympique Lyonnais searching for what could be a late winner. Still level here. They've given it away. Could be. Great save at this stage.
Well, that would have been the winner for sure. It's a great save.
Number 27, Cristiano Ronaldo. To be replaced by number 9, Karim Benzema.
Trying to pick out a teammate. Well, he failed to get it away properly. Benzema. No way through. What about the stoppage time situation? 2 minutes the word. Klassen. Gällrä. Here's Tolisso. And now passing it through. Gällrä. And there is the referee's whistle for full time. Even Steven here, they can't be separated. We were treated to goal. Hello from one of the great venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. I'm Derek Ray, ready here in the commentary position, and alongside me is the former Arsenal, West Ham and Coventry midfielder Stuart Robson. And we've got UEFA Champions League group stage action to bring you tonight. It's Real Madrid up against Olympique Lyonnais.
Well, thanks, Derek. It's a real pleasure to be here. What a great atmosphere we've got inside the stadium. I'm really looking forward to this one. It should be a good contest, that's for sure.
Must be! And saved by the keeper. Playing it in. Well, clattered away. Happy to take on the shot. Well, that's fine goalkeeping. Real concentration. Couldn't quite keep it down. Goal kick. Well, a magnetic player to watch, Federico Valverde. Stuart, what part might he play in this game?
Well, Derek, we know he loves linking up with other players, but it's when he's in and around the penalty area, that's when he's at his most dangerous, when he plays little 1-2s around his marker and then plays the next forward pass into a runner. He could be the key to unlocking this defence.
Federico Valverde. Good technique displayed. But really sticking to their task defensively. Well, not the greatest pass, easily intercepted. Tagliafico. Really good interception. Klassen. Real chance. And a goal! Now they've broken through. 1-0 here. So the action continues. Will there be a quick response from Real? Cristiano Ronaldo. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Well, a good place to win it back, and let's see what it leads to. David Alaba. Ball with Nicolas Tagliafico. And intercepting it. Abdullah. Could be threatening. Oh, the keeper made it look routine. It was anything but. Trying to pick out a teammate. Clears it away. Toko Ekambi. On to Toriso. Carl Toko Ekambi with it. Well, couldn't find a teammate, unfortunately. And a throw-in to come. Klassen. Rojas with it. Lovren. Klassen has it. Tolisso. Oh, good use of the ball. Klassen. And here's Toko Ekambi. So now a corner. Let's see about the delivery. And still dangerous. Toko Ekambi. Superb block. Matias Rojas. It needs an accurate cross. Cristiano Ronaldo. Real in a good position out wide. Cross! And it's in! Beyond the goalkeeper, Real Madrid are level.
Well, I have to say, he's done really well here. He's in the right place and then a decent finish. That's a good goal.
So in business once more on the back of that very important equaliser. 1-1. Kakere. Klassen. Oh, the threat is there. Now, was that the denial of a goal-scoring opportunity? It falls on the referee to decide. Well, I think we both wondered if there was going to be a card, but not so in this case.
Well, obviously the referee wasn't sure, and therefore, in my mind, he makes the right call.
Not the best free kick we'll see today. Well off target.
Well, not really what he was looking for there. That's a waste of a good situation.
Alphonso Davies. Here's Ronaldo. Federico Valverde. Toko Ekambi. Lovren. Robert Rojas. Well, the electronic board showing 1 additional minute. Ronaldo. Oh, nice ball over the top to chase. There it is! A fantastic goal, and no wonder he's off celebrating.
Well, we can see it again now, and it all starts with the pass over the top. It takes out so many defenders, and then what a finish. That's been hit with such power and pace. The keeper has no time to react. It's a brilliant strike.
The first half here comes to an end. Second half underway, with Real looking to build upon a positive first half showing. Options in the middle. That's well blocked. Oh, good work by the keeper. Can he deliver it with accuracy? Well, he'd be disappointed if he didn't take that one cleanly. And another treat from La Liga coming up for you live here on EA TV. It's Real Madrid against Real Betis. Well, he's gone back to give the free kick, the referee here. He tried to play advantage, but it didn't accrue. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. An unforced error, you've got to say. Robert Rojas. Klassen. Good use of the ball, but can they trouble the defence? Well, trying to take their time, but not enough care on the ball. Alexander-Arnold. Oh, a nice-looking pass. And a goal it is for Real Madrid. They are on a victory course.
Well, here we can see it again, and it's all about the pace of the passing. One touch, slick movement, and Ronaldo made the finish look so easy, as he so often does. It's a lovely goal.
So back underway at 3-1. Robert Rojas. Klassen has it. Lacazette here. Cross could be useful. He knows he's got to react. Very quick thinking there. Kakere. And he read it well defensively. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Do they have the guile to open up the defence? Ronaldo. The supporters want to see him have a go. Just the challenge that was required.
Esta es una llamada para los tíos de Rodrigo García.
Unal.
Nuestro sobrino os está esperando en recepción.
20 minutes remaining. Real in a good position out wide. And space available inside. And simple for the keeper. Kakere. Lacazette. Out of play and a Real Madrid throw-in coming up. Well, Real Madrid are going to make the change now. Toko Ekambi. Enes Unal with it. And providing width. Superb block on the back of the ball from the flank. Chance to reduce the arrears. And a goal to tighten things up. They've thrown themselves a lifeline. On with the game then. 3-2. What will happen next? Just 10 minutes remaining here. Davies. Can he finish? Well, if truth be told, he made it rather straightforward for the keeper.
Well, he knows it. That is a real waste of a great opportunity.
And the ball back with Lyon here. Well, it's not quite in the books yet, but almost for Real Madrid as they try to see it out. Stuart, what have you made of their overall performance?
Well, their attacking play has been excellent today. However, by throwing so many players forward, they've looked vulnerable at the back, which is why this will be a nervy finish. They just need to hold on here.
Well, it was straight at the keeper, but technically good goalkeeping. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Toni Kroos. And we will have just one additional minute. Promising looking ball. Ronaldo. Well, having been awarded the corner, they'll no doubt look to put the issue beyond all doubt. And they will make the change now. And over comes the corner. And that is the end of the game. It goes into the books as a win for Real Madrid. What did you think of their overall performance?
Well, Derek, it was a really tight game, but they were the better side over the 90 minutes, and they fully deserved their victory today.